Hello there. I wanted to make this video because I have severe fungal acne on my face. I mean, you can see it on my face how it looks, but if you know anything about fungal acne, it is really hard to treat, but we still have to do our things. And I was really insecure to go outside or to go to the gym or see people. It is really bad. So this is the makeup look I have found. It makes me look confident to go outside, but at the same time it doesn't look cakey or it doesn't look like I'm doing too much. First of all, I take this foundation which is a really close match to my skin tone, and it's really important to find a product that is a really close match to your skin when it comes to foundation. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. I actually got it for free as a sample from Amazon, and I loved it so much. It's really good and creamy. And you can just apply this product and do your eye and lips and other things, but I go ahead and apply this HD foundation. It's again creamy formula, so I just take it on the brush and I apply it in those areas where I want some more brightness, like my under eyes and chin area, and on the sides of my nose. Now with the help of a brush like this, I use this palette and I go ahead and contour my nose a little bit. You have to really blend it, make it really soft. It should not be visible to other people, but at the same time give shape to your nose. And then I have this really old crusty palette. It's probably expired, but I'm not using this product a lot on my face, just to highlight my nose bridge. You can use your finger or a brush. Now I'm going to do my eyebrow with this flat brush. I love this brush, and using the Swish palette, I'm just going to fill my eyebrow. I really don't feel the need to fill my eyebrow, but I'm just gonna blend it more so it looks really natural. And yeah, this brush is really good. It's flat and very precise. Look at the difference. Using brown makes my eyebrows soft, at the same time gives it that filled look. For blush, I'm going to mix these two lipsticks. One is from Nykaa and then other one is from, again, it was a sample. I think it's from Sugar. I mix these together. The lip gloss from Sugar is glossy and the Nykaa lipstick is matte. So mixing these two gives a really nice finish. Now for the winged eyes, first I'm making wings with this palette again. It's brown color. I'm just gonna give shape. It will not give me just a harsh line when I apply eyeliner later on, but at the same time it also gives me a lifted look. And then go ahead and apply your eyeliner. Now for the mascara, it is from Sugar again. I honestly didn't know Sugar has great products. For example, this mascara, it is not so strong to be waterproof, but at the same time, if you're just sweating, in Indian weather, it will not come off and it won't make you look crazy. But just to let you know, it is not waterproof. Now I'm taking white eyeshadow from eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna use it in the corners of my eyes. I'm going to contour on the cheeks as well. You can skip it if you have really nice cheekbones and amazing jawline, but I clearly have a round face, so I need it. Really blend it in. It should not look like you have used contour, but you did. For the lips, I'm using the same combo that I used for my cheekbones as blush. First, I'm going to use matte lipstick and then top it off with lip gloss to make my lips look plumper. At the end, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using this white color eyeshadow to make it appear glowy. So this was the makeup look on brown skin, full of acne face. This makeup looks really great in real life, more than it does on camera, and that is the most important thing. It should look good in real life. Don't overdo it, blend everything well so it looks natural. You can ask me anything in the comments. I will see you in my next video. Bye.